Hello, everyone. Let's dive into the details of cybersecurity and its key components. Network security. This aspect focuses on protecting the integrity and confidentiality of data as it travels across networks. It includes technologies like firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and virtual private networks to safeguard data in transit. Information security. Information is a critical asset for organizations. Information security encompasses measures to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access, disclosure, alteration, or destruction. It involves encryption, access controls, and data classification. Endpoint security. Endpoints are individual devices, such as computers, smartphones, and IoT devices. Endpoint security ensures these devices are protected from malware, ransomware, and other threats. Antivirus software, anti-malware tools, and device management fall under this category. Application security. Applications and software are common targets for cyber attacks. Application security focuses on ensuring that software is developed and maintained with security in mind. Techniques include code reviews, vulnerability scanning, and penetration testing. Cloud security. As organizations move their data and applications to the cloud, cloud security becomes crucial. It involves securing cloud infrastructure, data, and applications hosted on platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Identity and access management. INC controls who has access to what resources within an organization. It includes user authentication, authorization, and multi-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Incident response. Despite best efforts, security incidents and breaches can occur. Incident response plans outline how organizations detect, respond to, and recover from security incidents. It minimizes damage and helps with recovery. Security awareness training. Human error is a significant cybersecurity risk. Security awareness training educates employees and users about cybersecurity best practices. It teaches them to recognize phishing attempts and other threats. Security governance and risk management. This involves establishing security policies, risk assessments, and compliance measures. It ensures that cybersecurity aligns with business goals and adheres to industry regulations. Security Operations Center. A SOC is a centralized team responsible for monitoring, detecting, and responding to security threats in real time. It plays a crucial role in proactive threat management. These components work in concert to create a robust cybersecurity framework, protecting organizations from an ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. Stay secure and vigilant.